This is hail, ladies and gentlemen. About the size of, almost the size of a golf ball. It looks like a bunch of bugs and crap jumping out in the yard. Look over there towards the grass.
No, look at her go. Wait.
Oh God, what the hell's the matter with her?
Put her car windows down.
Did you go around that freaking hail? Oh my God.
Man, look at it off the roof. Jeez. It's dangerous.
Look at the hail coming off the roof over there.
It's not even raining anymore. Wow.
There goes that dumb girl.
Oh, this is so
Look at her
cool.
walkway getting covered up. This is insane. This is the worst hail I've ever seen. In my 26 years of life, this is by far the worst hail I have ever seen. There seems to be no rain to this. It's all hail. I am so glad that I did this earlier. I was so glad that I went earlier to roll up my windows. Otherwise, I'd have been pelted to death. This shit has to hurt a lot. Okay, it's finally slacking up a little bit.
No, it's not.
Well, there's more rain to it than there is hail, so...
We should have put a bowl outside or something.
Wow, my God, hon, the bowl would have been obliterated. Okay, well, that's enough. I mean, fantabulous hailstorm here. It's the worst thunderstorm I've seen this year, and probably last. Nothing like this ever happened last year. So, signing off. Adios, muchachos. Bye. On videos.